Escrow and transfer of ownership. Once the purchase agreement is signed, the next step is transferring ownership of the business. This is going to involve safeguarding the funds, transferring the legal title, and ensuring all assets are properly documented and transferred to the buyer. So first up, safeguarding funds and legal title transfer. Escrow account. The purchase funds are typically placed in an escrow account to protect both the buyer and seller. An escrow agent, usually a third-party entity such as a title company or law firm, will hold the funds until all conditions of the sale are met. This ensures two things: funds are secure and conditions are met. The buyer's funds are needed to be protected, and the seller needs to be ensured that they will receive payment once all obligations are fulfilled. And conditions are met, the escrow agent verifies that all sale agreement terms, such as asset transfers or regulatory approvals, have been completed before releasing the funds to the seller. And that's important to keep both sides honest. Transfer of ownership documents. Legal ownership of the business is transferred from the buyer to the seller once the funds are in escrow. This includes four things: the bill of sale. This document formally transfers ownership of the business's assets or stock to the buyer. Assignment of contracts. Any key contracts such as leases, supplier agreements, or customer contacts should be formally assigned to the new owner. This ensures that the business can continue operations without interruption. And title transfer for physical assets. For businesses with significant physical assets such as property, vehicles, or equipment, legal titles need to be transferred to the buyer's name. This is particularly important for any real estate included in the sale. And finally, intellectual property transfer. If the business owns patents, trademarks, or any other intellectual property, it must formally transfer through the appropriate legal channels.